Hey guys, had a quick little video. Just finished up putting the axe head on. Just rehung this double bed axe. It's a wood slasher. Really didn't have the right haft for it, but I think it turned out alright. I put a cruiser haft on it, and it's a little short, but I think it's gonna work. Let me show you see it fit. Get some light on it. It fit all right. It took some doing. Had old rasp and that old draw knife there. It came in handy. And you can see all the shavings that I made. And yes, I'm wearing Italian safety shoes. Yeah, I'm rather proud of it. I throw in some pics of it coming together. And there's Ruger. Hi, Ruger. And the other project I'm working on, putting seats in that boat. But yeah, I just thought I'd throw in a quick video and let you see what I'm doing. It's I still need to sharpen the axe up and clean up the handle. Got to find some boiled linseed oil and put on it. I think I'm just going to leave the varnish on it for now until I can find some. Then I'll worry about that. Anyway, thank you, and hope you enjoyed seeing my little axe, because it was a lot of fun to deal with. I didn't do a tutorial on hanging that axe. I figured there's folks out there know a lot more about it than I do. So, yeah, and you guys can see. Just Google it or search for it right here on YouTube, and you see really good ways of doing it. Probably way better than the way that I've done it. I'm me being a machinist and by background and fabricator. I was using the calipers and measuring and seeing how much I needed to take off and all this, that, and other. And guys don't normally do that. Or the guys that do it every day don't do that. But I did, because that's what I know. It's what I do. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, thank you. Get out and have yourself an adventure. Go farther and stay longer. Have a good. Thank you.